In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 10 display resolution grayed out with the latest update fix. If you've gone into your display settings and noticed that the resolution dropdown is disabled or stuck, don't worry. This usually means Windows is having trouble communicating properly with your display or graphics driver, and we can walk through a few reliable checks and fixes to sort it out. First, let's start with the basics. On your desktop, right-click anywhere on an empty area and choose Display Settings. This opens the main display configuration window. Scroll down to the section where you normally change your screen resolution. If the resolution box is grayed out, take note of which display is selected at the top, especially if you're using more than one monitor. Make sure you've selected the correct display before you continue. Next, we'll verify that Windows is actually detecting the monitor correctly. Still in Display Settings, scroll up and click on Detect or Identify if those options are visible. This forces Windows to recheck which displays are connected. If you've recently plugged in a new monitor, dock, or adapter, this step can sometimes bring the resolution options back. If that doesn't help, we need to look at the graphics driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. Here you should see your graphics card or integrated graphics listed. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for drivers. Let Windows check for a newer driver and install it if one is found. Then restart your computer. After the restart, go back to Display Settings and see if the resolution dropdown is now available. If the issue started right after a Windows update, it can also help to roll back or reinstall the display driver. In Device Manager, right-click your display adapter again and choose Properties. Go to the Driver tab and look for the Rollback Driver option. If it's available, use it, then restart. If it's not, you can choose Uninstall Device instead. Restart your PC and let Windows automatically reinstall a fresh driver. Finally, if you're using a custom cable, adapter, or docking station, try connecting your monitor directly to the computer with a different cable or port. Some low-quality adapters can limit the available resolutions or cause Windows to lock the resolution controls. Once you've tried these steps, head back into Display Settings and confirm that your preferred resolution is now selectable and applied.